Hi, I'm Brandy. This is Hound Dog Hollow, and today we're going to be unboxing my September 2020 Witch's Roots box. Yes, I'm very late. If you don't already know, I've been dealing with a crisis. I'm so happy to be back with you guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe so I can get back into the loop of things, because right now my views are obviously really low because I haven't made anything in a while. It has been something. So I'm grateful to be alive. I'm grateful my house is standing and almost all of my pets live. So here we go. Smells delicious. Smells very cinnamony. What do we got? Always save this. Prowess of Power. Ooh, it smells very cinnamony. Carnelian. Beautiful. And cinnamon. Ta-da! Smells so good. Everything like in this box smells so good. The artwork is beautiful. I had plans to try to find a way to put these together, but you know, plans have been derailed right now. I've been in survival mode. All right, let's check it out. Oh, beautiful. It looks like a trident. It looks like a planetary symbol. Almost reminds me of the planetary symbol for Neptune. Magical power. Very cool. So here's the incantation in the back. By the 3 raids of magic within the witching hour, by the 5 stars of the north, I summon forth true magic power, so mote it be. Very cool. Very cool. Let's see what we got here. Beautiful carnelian bracelet. Absolutely lovely. Love it. This feels so warm and so pleasant. This box feels like really just amazing. Lalahil Ritual Body Oil. Lalahil. I don't know if you can see, but it's got stuff in it. It's a different. Let me see what we got here. Ooh, it smells good. It's got a little spewit. Cinnamony incense. Cinnamon. We got a little something here. I got to be very delicate flower. What do we got? Oh my god! So beautiful. It's a little, looks like a little carnelian arrowhead. Love it. I'm gonna get cut because I'm clumsy. Beautiful. Ooh, cinnamony. Wow, this whole box smells like fall. And in exactly that tone. Fall. The best season of the year. Mama's favorite season of the year. And we were having that discussion with our 5-year-old yesterday. He knows my favorite is fall. My son's favorite is winter. And Daddy's favorite is spring. And summer is awful. Okay, during times of uncertainty, confusion, and chaos, we rely on our sacred connections with natural elements to empower us and provide us with strength. It is during troubling times that we embrace our ability to view trials as opportunities for growth and progression. It always strikes me how incredibly in tune these boxes are with what's going on with me. I don't know if Nicole and her crew are spying on me or what, but it just feels so appropriate. I've never gotten, I mean, if I have, it's been very rare. But more often than not, I feel very like, oh my gosh, this is exactly what I need right now. These trials, whichever may be relevant in our current reality, are presented to us as possible hardships, yet stand as a cloak covering true possibilities, creativity, and the beauty of creation. We work through rituals and meditations to find courage, sparking excitement within the depth of our souls. We resonate with the great goddesses and gods who have shown overwhelming bravery in the face of adversity and seeming defeat. In this very powerful and prominent collection, we work with the energies that lift us up, gifting us new perspectives so that we may claim victory in all aspects of our journey. So cinnamon, which has a ton of history, and I'm just going to read. So it's associated with the sun, shines light upon the dark and dreary task of shadow work, allows us to view challenges through the lens of a true sage, a wise being, and a victorious warrior. It's a wonderful protector, enhancer of psychic sight, promoter of prosperity and abundance. I mean, cinnamon's really diverse. Very, very good for lots of stuff. Cinnamon herbal grimoire artwork. I don't know if I gave you guys enough time to look at this, but these are just beautiful. I just love them. Christopher Panzak Magical Power Pewter Pendant. What's this? Tumbled Carnelian Bracelet. Stone of Action provides us with needed determination in times of fatigue within deep contemplation or energy work. Provides life force energies and is a wonderful companion when working under strict deadlines or simply assisting in pushing us through when continual hard work is needed to accomplish great works. Carnelian Altar Arrowhead. We have included a Carnelian Altar Arrowhead to hold within your hand while creating energy throughout your day. This arrowhead can also be placed on your altar to bring activation and enhancement into your sacred space. I love it. Carnelian Book of Shadows page. Isn't that beautiful? Very beautiful. Love it. Vitality Ritual Incense Stick. It smells so, it does make me feel really good. Tower of Triumph Mini Candle Spell. Promoting a sense of encouragement for the goals and dreams you're currently striving to achieve. And Lehal Ritual Body Oil. It's one of the many angels of Aries residing within the 72 angels of the zodiac. This specific angel assists us with increasing our level of ambition and pushes us towards great achievement in our chosen fields. So it has ginger, lemon, orange, and clove. Ginger root is inside, and a Lemurian quartz. It also has some angel awakening. Perfect. This is a beautiful box. It's so nice. I can use all the items, and you know, there's still lots of stuff that I don't. Obviously, these are all unique, so you can't get them anywhere else. But I've never gotten anything like this. I love this, and I don't think I have a Carnelian bracelet. I might though. But this one's very nice too. It's really petite, and I like that. I've never heard of this angel before, but I'm glad. It smells great. So, and of course cinnamon. You can always use cinnamon, and cinnamon's great. So awesome box. Love this company. I always get them. They're one of my, I've gotten every box of these that's been made. So of course I love them. You can check them out in the link below. And of course, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'm happy to be back. You might be a little inundated with videos as I try to catch up, but you know, it is what it is. Especially in 2020, just roll with the punches. And if you don't like it, I'm so sorry. Have a wonderful day. Bye.